What's up sa inyo mga kuys? Welcome sa ating new segment, ang Hot Wheels Spotlight, kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng short review sa mga Hot Wheels collections natin. So for today's episode, we have something na talagang iconic mga kuys. The Hot Wheels Ferrari F40 Competition in black colorway. Hindi siya yung STH mga kuys, no? Mainline lang siya. Yan. So the Ferrari F40 Competition is basically a race-ready version of the already legendary F40 mga kuys, no? So bali mas aggressive, mas raw, at mas built for the track. And itong Hot Wheels version, even in 1/64 scale, ramdam mo yung pagka-iconic niya mga kuys. Ayan, dako naman tayo sa design and details. Ayan mga kuys, unang tingin pa lang, panalo na agad yung black colorway, no? So it gives the F40 a more stealthy and aggressive look kumpara sa classic red. So clean yung paint application. Yan, and bagay na bagay yung dark finish sa body lines ng F40 mga kuys. So makikita rin natin dito yung signature details, no, like yung rear wing. Ayan, yung rear wing na very race inspired. So vent and curves na nagbibigay ng classic F40 silhouette. At syempre yung low and wide stance na talagang nagpapalabas ng pagiging performance car niya mga kuys. Ayan, simple man yung detailing, no, pero effective. So very Hot Wheels style. And dala pa rin niya yung identity ng tunay na kotse mga kuys. Ayan, punta naman tayo sa wheels and build, no? So pagdating sa wheel, solid din, sakto yung design, hindi overpowering, and bagay sa overall theme ng kotse, no? So build quality is what you'd expect from Hot Wheels mga kuys. So lightweight, durable, and perfect for both collectors and casual fans. Ayan. So for collectors, this is a must-have, lalo na kung mahilig ka sa Ferraris or classic supercars. So medyo special na rin kasi ang Ferrari casting na ito, no? And we all know, hindi na ganun kadalas lumalabas ang Ferrari sa Hot Wheels lineup. So if meron ka nito, solid addition talaga siya sa mga collections mo mga kuys. Ayun, no? So overall mga kuys, no, the Hot Wheels Ferrari F40 Competition in black colorway is a simple yet striking piece. No, hindi siya flashy, pero yung presence niya, ramdam na ramdam natin, no mga kuys. A perfect mix of elegance and aggression in a small scale. So kung bibigyan natin siya ng rating mga kuys, no, I'm giving this a solid 9 out of 10. Bakit? Clean execution, iconic casting, and that black colorway just hits different mga kuys. And that's it for today's Hot Wheels Spotlight mga kuys, no. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more diecast features, no mga kuys. See you on the next episode mga kuys. Peace!